Believe it or not, these are two keyboards. This one is the Logitech MX keyboard. I love this one. It's solid, it's simple to use, and you can connect up to 3 computers. Over here, this is a pluggable, full-size portable keyboard. Does it look like a keyboard? Not yet, but when you open it up, this thing becomes a keyboard like this. It's got the aluminum constructions, it's solid. You have your micro USB port right there for charging or connecting to your computer via micro USB. So this one can connect via Bluetooth, boom, boom, like this, and it's a Bluetooth keyboard, or it can be a USB keyboard. Whereas the Logitech, it can only be a Bluetooth keyboard, or it can be a wireless keyboard, but not connected by USB cable, which is something I wish this one had, but this one you can use as a USB cable. Now obviously, this case has another function in that it can just prop up like this, and it can be a little stand for your tablet. So this one's more designed for mobile use, but it feels really nice. In fact, I think it feels better than the mushy keys on the MX keyboard. The MX by Logitech, I say mushy, but it's actually a nice comfortable feel that people like because they like the feel of the mushiness, which is not a bad thing because it feels very relaxing, and the keys are indented with these little indentions that make it feel comfortable for your fingers to rest on. This one doesn't have that, but again, you're looking at something that's very portable. You can fold it up and you'll be ready to go. Whereas this is more like a keyboard you have to use at home, or if you want to put this in your backpack, it's not quite as travel friendly, but it is very compact too. Look how thin this one is. One of the thinnest keyboard. So I would consider them both okay to travel with, but obviously if you're limited on space and cargo and weight, this is much easier to travel with. This pluggable keyboard is like so compact right here. Boom, like that, it's gone. And this one right here, well, you can't fold it up, but you get the point. These are awesome keyboards, very good for travel, but again, if you want very light compactness, I would go with the pluggable right here. If you want something that is a little bit more rugged on the desk, then the MX key would be my choice, but these are both awesome keyboards right here.